Stuck with a locked iPhone or iPad because you forgot your iCloud credentials? Can't remove an old account or bypass activation lock? This video shows proven methods to remove iCloud accounts. First, verify your device's iCloud status under Settings, your name. If Find My iPhone is enabled, disable it and sign out manually. This requires the current password. For locked or second-hand devices, official methods fall short without the original account. This is where MagFone Activation Unlocker becomes essential. MagFone will put your device into recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to manually enter DFU mode to jailbreak. Proceed to click on the Start Jailbreak button. This will take some time, please be patient. Please keep your device connected to your computer during the jailbreaking process. After successfully jailbreaking your device, you can start removing the iCloud activation lock. You need to manually enter DFU mode again. After successfully bypassing activation lock, you can use your iPhone.